before we go ahead and I show you the process of building a lead magnet or a lead generation sales funnel for your small business, let me show you a small proof for my business. Now, what you see right now is the lead generation dashboard for one of the small business solutions that I have created. So I have created a few landing pages, a free product, which is a free sales CRM for small businesses, the kind of solution that my target customers look for. They come to the landing pages, they go to a YouTube video, and they come on to this website, Gumroad, where they download the lead management template. And when they do that, I get their contact details and then I start a workflow to get in touch with them. So what you see right now here is a dashboard, a graphical trend of daily views and downloads. Now, most of this is free, but some are paid as well. Hence, you have a revenue, but I have masked the revenue figure. If I could go down, you could see the different sources from where I get these customers. So there's YouTube, there are direct through email campaigns, and you could also see from where are people coming. So I have people from United States, the Philippines, Brazil, India, Canada, almost the entire world. So this is one of the lead magnets that I have built for my small business consulting practice. Something similar is what you could create for your business. Let me show you how. So this is how you can build a lead generation sales funnel, a lead magnet for your small business. First of all, the basic question to answer, not just for a lead magnet, a lead funnel, but even to build a sales strategy, is to define who is your customer. And you need to go as specific as you can. Let me show you an example for my business. So who is my customer? First of all, my customer is an owner of a small business, not somebody who works for a business, not somebody who is the CEO of a large corporation or who is a startup founder. No, my customer is an owner of a small business who is in the age bracket of 25 to 50 years. Now, this is based on my last 20 years of work experience, last decade or so of consulting practice. So this is the age group that I have most success with and I could work with. So he or she has to be the owner of a small business, age group 25 to 50 years. Should have been in business for at least 2 years because a lot of my solutions, consulting, analysis is data driven. And hence, if the business has been running for 2 years or more, there's a lot of data which I could work with, analyze, and suggest solutions. And then the person or the customer has to be somebody who loves to use new technology to grow business, somebody who is willing to try new ideas, new technology, new solution, somebody who is closed-minded, somebody like, oh, we've done this before, it does not work, or this may not work for our line of business. No, I need somebody who is willing and who's excited when we present new solutions, new ideas, new technology. And then the company also needs to have a team size 10 or more. There are a few other parameters as well, but this broadly defines who my target customer is. Owner of a small business, 25 to 50 years age group, should have been in business for 2 or more years, is excited about new technology, new innovations, new idea, and has a team to manage. So I know who my customer is. You need to define who your customer is because that is the information which would lead you to understand their pain points and then build a solution to create your lead funnel. So the next question is, once you know who is your customer, what are their pain points and how and where do they search for a solution? So what is that one thing or a few things that your customer is struggling with or would need help with? Now, this does not have to be directly correlated to what you offer as a core product or service. I'll come to this at the end of the video. Let's first discuss the process. The solution that you offer or the pain point of the customer while building a lead funnel does not necessarily have to be directly related to your core service or product. So first, you define who your customer is and you understand their various pain points. and figure out that one or two problems that you could help them with. For example, in my uh, example, I realized that most of these small business owners struggle with finding out what is the best sales CRM software for the business. And even once they get to know about what's a good sales CRM, it's difficult for them to implement that and train their teams to use that sales CRM software. So I realized that problem, and that is where I created an Excel template which could be used to manage their sales leads and their lead management requirements. And then I had to figure out that how and where do they search for a solution. So here again is an example for my business. So if I go on YouTube, Google, I could see what is it that people are searching. So here is a screenshot of a Google search snippet, the kind of queries that people have regarding a sales CRM. So you could see a few questions there. How to track sales performance in Excel, how to track sales performance, how to track sales leads in Excel, how to track sales team performance in Excel, and how to track sales in Excel. Multiple questions regarding the same product, the same solution, and all these questions could be addressed with a solution that I have created, a lead management Excel CRM. So this is what they were searching. And based on this information, what I could do and what I have done is I have created a product which is an Excel template for managing leads. The download link is in the description. You could go ahead and check it out. Then I have created landing pages on my website. I will leave that link as well. And I also have a couple of YouTube videos. So the YouTube videos and the landing pages drive the traffic, take the customers to the download page from where they download the lead management Excel template. When they do that, they fill up their contact details, and then I start an email workflow and I start engaging them. So it's a very simple process, and that's how it works. So first of all, let's get back to what you can do is. So what can you offer for free? So you've understood the problem, you know who the customer is, and you realized where is it that they search for a solution for their problems. So just like I created an Excel template to manage leads, you could create something which you could offer for free. It could be an Excel template, it could be a presentation, it could be an how-to guide, it could be an ebook. So brainstorm with your team, talk to your current customers, and understand that what is it that you can offer for free or at a very minimal cost, which addresses the pain point that you identified for your customers. So once you know that, you could build a lead magnet, and this is the process which I followed. This is the process which you could follow. So first of all, create a free solution, which could be an Excel template, it could be an ebook, it could be a presentation, it could be a how-to guide, it could be a video tutorial, it could be anything simple, free, or at a very low cost. Once you have that ready, you create landing pages and drive traffic. So create landing pages on your website, or you could create videos on YouTube, or you could create email campaigns if you have a database, or you could start posting on LinkedIn, for example, if you have a good follower base and the kind of people that you want to work with are connected with you or follow you on LinkedIn. So there are multiple avenues that you could use. So what you need to do is go back to Google, go back to keyword research tools, and understand how is it that your customers are searching. For example, in the example of the Excel CRM, we saw the example queries which people use to search for a solution on Google. Based on those queries, I've created landing pages and YouTube videos. So now when people could search for those keywords, they come to my landing page and YouTube, which does not cost me a penny. And then they go to the download page, download the solution, and give me their contact details. So once you have collected the details, that is when you create workflows. So collect the critical details, name, email, phone. Don't make it too long. Don't ask for industry category. Don't ask for website. Don't ask for their mailing address. For a workflow, what you need is your name, email, phone number. Ask for a business email. Some people may give you a generic email like Gmail, Yahoo. That's okay. Don't be too rigid, but ask for a business email. And then based on that, create email workflows for various use cases. Now, I use Gumroad for my digital downloads. Gumroad has the option to create email workflows. If you want the download to happen on your website directly, or you could use email marketing softwares like MailChimp or Sendinblue or Zoho to create your email workflows. And that's how you start engaging your prospects. Now, even when a prospect reaches a dead end, create another workflow as a stay in touch program, which should get activated after a gap of 3 months or 6 months, depending upon your business category and your industry. So these are very free, simple solutions, a simple process that works for all business categories. You saw the example for my business, which is a small business consulting practice. I'll also show you an example for a larger organization, HubSpot. So let me show you the example for HubSpot, how it uses these free solutions to create a lead magnet for their CRM solution. And I'll also answer the question where I said that the free solution does not necessarily have to be directly related to your core business product or service. Now, here on the HubSpot website, you could see free business templates for multiple categories, from advertising to analytics to blogging to branding, creating buyer personas. So here you could see coding templates, free sales plan templates, social media content calendar, infographics template, blog post templates, 18 free ebook templates. There are multiple categories. Now, what does HubSpot do as a core service? They provide businesses a CRM software. So if you look at a social media content calendar is not directly related to their core business, or free ebook templates is not directly to their core business. Infographic templates are not directly related to what they offer as a paid service, or a business budget template or a business plan template or Excel graph generators are not something which they offer as a core service to their customers. But these are solutions, simple free solutions, which address pain points of their customers, business owners, and business professionals. So what they've done is they've created these free solutions where you could come to the website, you can go on Google, and when you search for relevant queries, you get HubSpot has great organic rankings. So you get to see HubSpot listings. You click on those listings, you come onto their website, and when you try to download any of their free products, it's free, but for downloading it, they would want you to give them your contact details. So this is a lead magnet which HubSpot uses. And once you download this, you become a part of their email campaign. You start receiving multiple emails from them every day, every week, every month for multiple categories. And then somebody from HubSpot sales or marketing team will get in touch with you, will try to qualify you as a customer. And if they find you a prospective customer, then somebody from their sales team will start talking to you and will try to sell you a subscription for their core service. So just like I use a free lead magnet for my consulting practice, you can see a company like HubSpot too using free solutions for generating leads for their business. So whatever your business category, be it product-based, be it service-based, you could follow the same strategy, the same process to develop a lead generation sales funnel for your small business. If you have any questions on how you could create something similar for your line of business, for your business specifically, write in the comment section. I will answer that. And if there are more queries for a particular industry, I may go ahead and create a video on how to create a lead funnel for those business categories. So any questions, do write in the comment section. And if you like my efforts and my videos, do subscribe to get notifications for new sales and business strategy videos. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and be safe.